If you're starting a business, one thing people don't always prepare you for is how many things you have to manage at once. You're trying to build your brand, get customers, keep up with orders, answer questions, and somehow stay organized through all of it. Well, that's why having the right tools can make such a big difference. In this video, I want to share 5 tools that can help new business owners work smarter, look more professional, and stay on top of the things that really matter as they grow. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's check out Neo.space. When you're starting a business, one of the first things you need is a place people can actually find you online. And that's where Neo.space comes in. It helps you handle the basics that make your business look legit, like getting a domain, setting up a website, and creating a professional business email. Instead of piecing everything together and hoping it works, Neo.space gives new business owners a cleaner way to build their online presence from the start. So whether you're opening a local service business, launching an online shop, or just trying to stop using Gmail addresses for everything, this is the kind of tool that helps you look like you mean business. Another tool I really want to talk about is XBert by Nextiva. And this part of the video is sponsored by Nextiva. If you're building something of your own, then you already know this feeling. Your phone rings or a message comes in, and for a second, your heart kind of jumps because you're thinking, wait, is that a new customer? Did I just miss an opportunity? But real life doesn't pause. You might be filming, working, or handling other parts of your business, and sometimes you just can't respond right away. And realizing later that you may have missed something important, that feeling does not feel good. I've definitely had moments like that. There were times I was focused on filming, editing, and by the time I saw an inquiry, the opportunity had already passed. I lost a few deals just by missing a phone call or email, and that's frustrating. Because when you're building a business, every message and every lead matters. It taught me quickly that being reachable is a bigger deal than people realize. Because sometimes one misconnection can mean missed revenue. And most people starting out don't have the budget for a full-time receptionist. That's easily $60,000 a year. That's where XBert comes in. XBert works like an AI receptionist for your business. It answers calls on the first ring, responds to texts, and help capture leads so you're not losing opportunities just because you couldn't get to the phone in time. So for example, if I'm busy working and a call comes in, instead of it going unanswered, XBert can pick up, greet the customer, and capture the information so that lead doesn't disappear. And it's not just calls. If someone sends a message asking something like, are you still accepting clients? Or is this available? XBert can respond instantly and keep the conversation moving. And if someone is ready to move forward, maybe they want to book or learn more, XBert can help guide that conversation, qualify the lead, and move them toward the next step. That's huge because a lot of businesses don't lose customers because of quality. They lose them because they respond too late. XBert can handle multiple conversations at once, works 24/7, and you can even customize the voice so it still feels like your business. So instead of feeling like your business depends on you being available all the time, you actually have support. Your business keeps moving even when you can't. And what's great is that it's easy to get started. Nextiva will actually help you set up everything for free, which makes this very beginner friendly. I care about you guys, and I know how much this matters when you're building something. So don't let small gaps turn into missed opportunities. Go to tryxbert.ai/hustle and get XBert working for you with free setup, a free business phone line, and a 30-day money back guarantee. Thank you, Nextiva, for sponsoring this video. Let's be honest, a lot of new businesses have good ideas, but the branding can look a little rough in the beginning. Canva helps fix that. It makes it easy to create logos, flyers, social media posts, business cards, product images, and all the little visuals that help your business look polished and professional. And the best part is, you don't have to be a graphic designer to use it. For new business owners trying to stand out, Canva is the one of those tools that helps you make a stronger first impression without spending a ton of money. The next one is Ads Go. I use it myself. I'm going to tell you, you can have a great business, a nice website, and selling products. But if nobody knows you exist, none of that really matters, right? That's where Ads Go can help. It's a tool built to help businesses advertise and get in front of more people, which is something every new entrepreneur needs. A lot of beginners struggle with marketing because they don't know where to start, what to promote, or how to create ads and actually get attention. Ads Go help take some of that pressure off so you can spend less time guessing and more time actually growing your business. Last but not least, QuickBooks. Speaking of money, making money is exciting, but keeping track of it is a whole different story. And that's why QuickBooks deserves a spot on this list. It helps business owners stay on top of invoices, expenses, income, and all the numbers that can get messy fast when you're first starting out. A lot of people jump into business focusing on sales, but then tax time rolls around and they realize they should have been organized from day one. QuickBooks help you stay ahead of that so you can actually understand where your money is going and run your business with a little bit more confidence. If you're building a business and want tools that can help you stay organized, look professional, and respond to customers more efficiently, definitely check out all the links down below. And if you want to stop missing opportunities when customers reach out, be sure to take a look at XBert by Nextiva at tryexbert.ai/hustle. With my link, you can get free professional setup, a free business phone line, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with XBert. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.